Is your smartphone giving you trouble? Don't worry, we've got you covered. At iFixScreens Lindenhurst, we know how important your phone is to you and how frustrating it can be when it's not working correctly. We provide top-notch smartphone repair in Lindenhurst, New York, and high-quality repairs for smartwatches and laptops. We use only the highest quality parts to ensure your phone is repaired quickly and correctly. We also offer battery replacement, camera repair, and even data recovery services for your device. Our expert technicians have years of experience, and we specialize in cracked screen repair in Lindenhurst, New York. And if you're a gamer, we offer the best-in-class gaming console repairs, including Nintendo Switch, Xbox, and PlayStation. You're guaranteed to get the lowest cost of repairs and a 180-day warranty on any parts we install in your device. We offer convenient walk-in and mail-in repair services for all your electronic devices. We're always happy to assist you in any way we can. So, contact us today at 631-708-3521 and speak with our expert technicians. You can also check our website at www.ifixscreens.com/location/Lindenhurst-NY to see all our services. At iFixScreens Lindenhurst, you'll experience the best-in-class repair services.